welcome to my channel. I'm Jenny.
Today I'm making an Among Us charm but Totoro themed. I got the inspo from this picture I saw on social media, so credits to the artist. As it was such a cute idea, I just had to make it out of clay. Totoro is from the cutest movie, My Neighbor Totoro, by Studio Ghibli. I don't want to spoil the movie for anyone who's never watched it before, so all I'll say is it's a beautiful movie visually and story-wise. Oh, and get ready to have the theme song stuck in your head for all eternity. Okay, that was a long enough intro. I need to explain what I'm doing since this is technically a tutorial. So I made the base of the crewmate making a pill-shaped body and then making a slit for its legs and adding a square for its backpack or its air supply, I guess. And finally, its oval eye thing before baking. I put him in this tin and baked according to the package's instructions for the polymer clay. Once cooled, I started painting. I know this looks dumb as I'm painting gray clay gray, but it's pretty much to give the rest of the painting details a good base. I added his beige belly, and then painted his eye thingy blue. I then added his little triangle pattern on his belly. I'm making the shadows and highlights that all the crewmates have. Wow, I'm very good at recording in the frame, huh? Here, I'm just adding the black outline around the eye thing. Once the paint's dry, I added the glaze. And he's done. After this shot, I legit had put all my stuff away and was calling it done, but I couldn't help myself and I felt like something was missing. So I had to add his iconic leaf hat. And now he's officially done. I added him to the well-known bus stop scene from the movie. He looks a little silly, but I love him. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please let me know by liking, commenting, and sharing it with others. If you'd like to be up to date on whenever I post a new video, make sure to subscribe. You can also find me on other social medias for more art and stuff. They're all linked in the description box below. Thanks and have a good one.